Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be excuse me, these allergies really got me going here. So today we're going to be going ahead and get this post driver that we built this winter out. We're going to do some fence post driving for an individual. Hopefully we'll see how it works. Got the excavator in tow, piggy banks ready to go. So let's hit it. All right, so here's the post pounder right here. I got it set up two ways. I got it set up so we can put it on the excavator with my exchange plate that I purchased last year, actually 2 years ago. And that doubles up. I could put that on my ripper too, and then I got a skid steer plate on here as well. Country line Tractor Supply cylinder, 12-inch cylinder. When I get it on the machine, you'll see it's got a arm that goes up. It's a 4-to-1 ratio over a pulley. Comes back down and it drops this 275-pound weight. I also got a limiter chain on there that pushes up, so that when you get on the post, you can actually push down on the post. Then this thing will just drop and drive the post in. So this will be the first time we've tried it out. Hopefully all goes well. I'll get you set up here and we'll get her hooked up. Okay, we got it all hooked up here. Now I'm just gonna walk it up on the trailer. Taking the Kimco with us today with the small trailer, so we can haul some posts if we need to. Yeah, we'll get it loaded up here, and like I said, he's walking it over now. Hopefully it works good. Time will tell. Okay, first post on the job. Big Dom's on the job here. 8-foot post, driving them 4 foot in the ground. I'll set you up over here and we'll see how it goes. So we've got a little bit of an issue here. So here's the washer. We just knocked the bolt off from there. We're going to try to rework this so the chain pulls straight down and around. We'll come back. But I mean, it drives the posting pretty darn good. But yeah, we'll be back to see how she does. Hey, how's it working?
Good until that.
Not good. Not good. Yeah. All right, bring it down. We'll see what we can do. Yeah, we have a problem here. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, sheared my arm right off. Not good. Whoa. Not good. Well, we got some post drove. Got a whopping what, 4? We got a little bit of a design flaw. So it appears that we're hitting real hard right in here on this part of the pounder, and the recoil back just shearing that bolt that sheared that arm off. So we're gonna go back to the drawing board and see what we can come up with, and weld it back together and hope for the best. Yeah. Some days you're the windshield, some days you're the bug, huh, Dom?
Yep.
So, all right, stay tuned. I guess we'll have a remake, see if this thing works better next time.